And I wanted to show you something that I have had a lot of fun with. I made a gel rose, and it was so simple. I'm going to show you how I did that. So I found this unicorn mold that is made for cake decorating. You put your cake frosting in here. It's your fondant, and you can press out molds and then paint your fondant for cakes. But I found out that with the use of these, you can make some pretty cool roses. So let's start and try this out. So what I did here to make it more tricolor is that I put a light color in first and then a dark color at the bottom, and it gave a really nice two coloring to it. So I'm gonna go for a red, a color with a light pink. Now you're supposed to wear gloves with these, but I ran out of my gloves, so I'm just gonna use my tool right here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna scrape out a little bit of this blush color. I'm just gonna press it right into that mold, just like this. Now you can get these type of plastic roses on Amazon, and they're pretty inexpensive. You can get quite a bit, but if you're looking for something that you wanted right away, you don't want to wait for shipping, and you have some things on hand, this is pretty cool to try. All right, and then here's this red. Ooh, this is gonna be beautiful. There you go. Gonna put that right on in there. We're gonna press it down in. It will give a nice deep color. If they don't sit well on your nail at first, that's okay, because you can take an emery board or your e-file and make it more rounded on the back, and then glue it to your nail, to your press on, or to whatever you have going on. So there you go. That should be enough gel right there. Try and get the rest of it off. It's very creamy. Just press it on in there. Now the gel lamp may not penetrate with light all the way through. It will give the back pretty good, and that's how I'm going to show you how to do it. So my lamp is right over here. There it is. And I'm going to put this in here for about 60 seconds. All right, let's take this out, see what we've got. All right, here's the finished product, and we're just gonna pry this out. The bottom may not be as cured as the top. All right, so it has some firmness, and did lose like a little petal in here a little bit. Still, it's a little bit hard. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this and we're just going to, it did cure all the way, so we're just gonna form and put that right there a little bit. There you go. This is where gloves do help. And then put this right into the lamp and cure it for the rest of the time. So about 30 seconds. All right, let's grab our little rose out of here. Where is it? Right there. And there you have it. You have a little rose. Now, it'll take some more practice to get it to where it doesn't look so squished. But there's two roses right there that wouldn't look too bad. And then you do have to clean out your mold a little bit. But I'm just playing around with it. It still needs some work, but there you go. You have your molds. And you just have some instant roses that you can put on your nails and make it look really pretty. So I got these over Mark Carey. I'll link in the description below where I got these items. And have fun creating your unique nail art.